Hey guys, what's going on? Happy Friday morning. Coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below, let me know your thoughts on my video. Hitting the subscribe button, even for it takes 1 second, it's much appreciated if you do so. So today I want to talk about Corsair Gaming, ticker is Crsr. I just want to, the market's kind of doing some crazy things. Like if you looked at it this week, Monday crashed, or it didn't crash, but it fell really hard. Then the next day it bounced right back. And then today, actually, the Dow Jones, S&P, and NASDAQ all finished green. So that's 2 days in a row. So it's just really crazy how you think like, some bad news comes out and the market really panics or oversells. I'll get into that in the news section a little bit, but just starting out this video, Corsair Gaming. This is my ~1 stock I have my eye on. It closed yesterday at $29.70. I was buying this stock in the $35, $36 range when I first started buying it. So I've been averaging costs down. This is anything under $30, in my opinion, is a really good value buy. So for the long term, if you haven't watched my previous videos, I'm a long-term investor. I really stick to fundamental investing. So that's kind of what I preach. And I feel like that's the best way to gain long-term wealth. So $29.70, great buy. I should have bought today, but I didn't. I'm just being a little stingy. There's a couple reasons why though. If I didn't have position in this stock, obviously I'd start one now. But I'm just kind of being patient. The market's very wild right now. So I just don't want to spend all my cash and have nothing left. So my current cost base on this stock is $33.10. Like I said, I think it was high 30s at one point, like $36 or $35. So I've been chipping away at it. Usually when I buy stock, I go in, about a 20 to 50% of where I want my position to end. So I go in real heavy. Unfortunately for this stock, I bought it on the higher side, but that's okay. So, I thought it was a good evaluation when I bought it. So I am 10.28% down on this stock right now in my portfolio. I think it's my second biggest one down. Everything else is green basically. But this is one of two that are red for me. This is my third biggest stock of 17 stocks I currently own. So I'm actually scaling 2 of them. I'm gonna get rid of 2 of them in probably August or September. But then I'll be down to 15. I like sitting around 15 stocks. If there's really good deals or something, I want to open a new position, I would go to 17 to like 19 based on my portfolio size. But I really like staying around 15 just because it gives you a nice selection. You can kind of manage all the stocks within reason and stay up on top of everything. So that's why I like staying around 15 personally. But this is my third biggest one. So obviously I clearly really believe in this stock. News from this week. The Delta variant obviously has been spreading like crazy all over the world. It's gaining in the US, and that's really a lot of the reason why the market really panicked and sold off Monday. I really think that it was scaring people. People are scared of lockdowns again. People are scared of, a lot of things. Maybe it's gonna hurt the job sector if, people are back on lockdown. They want people to go back to work because they got, kids or family or something like that to watch. So I think that was really like a scare of what happened. And, it's really, if you really think about it, it's a short-term problem. Like, okay, let's just say it's a problem for a month. Let's say it's not a problem at all. Let's say it's a problem until next spring. That's all short-term. That's less than 6 months away. So no matter how you slice it, if you're a long-term investor, that just gives you opportunities to buy, like this. If there wasn't that scare, this is a growth stock. So usually people sell their riskiest positions first because they're scared and they want to put in the safer investments. You really want to almost do the opposite if you're a long-term investor. You want to buy when everybody's scared, and then when everything's good, they're going to plow back in and you have a better cost base. So it's really a short-term scare, and people really don't like the unknown. Like, people don't like uncertainty. The market hates uncertainty. But if you're a long-term investor, this is your best time to buy something like this. So this is the most appealing stock that I currently own, and that's on my, that I have my eye on right now. I'm gonna see what the market does today. If this goes any lower, I'm gonna have to buy some. So, and obviously if I buy, I'll make a video letting you guys know. So that's really what I got in this one. Just keep it on your watch list if you don't currently own it. Definitely do some research. I think it's going to be a great stock in the future. I think in the coming years, this stock will be anywhere from like $80 to $100, depending on how they execute. So you're gonna get some massive, you know, triple-digit percentage gains in the long run on this one. It's a great stock. So that's all I got. Again, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that little subscribe button in the corner. It's much appreciated. It makes me want to keep making these videos. Till tomorrow, peace.